Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. I actually have purchased from this seller before, but it was before my YouTube channel, and they're called EagleBeadz. I got them on Etsy, but they also have a website, and you get 10% off of your first order from their website, not Etsy. And I'll leave a link in the description below. So they have some really, you know, when I first shopped with them, I was like, is this real? Because I thought their prices were too good. And it's real because I got them, and that's how I felt this time around too. So I got some stuff that I normally kind of just don't get, but you'll see what I mean. So these were like a last minute, threw it in the cart. They're like a dyed magnesite. Thought they were fun. You know, the picture was really bright colors, and these are pretty bright colors, but it was a really good picture. I'm just gonna say that. But they're fun. I love that this one's purple and blue. Maybe make a bracelet, double strand or something with those. Oh, there were two strands in here. Oh, I think I remember it was supposed to be a long strand, so maybe they just put two in instead of just one. Okay. That's a good deal. I think maybe it was $4. I can't remember, honestly. And then these, I've been wanting these for a while in any color I could find them. They're like little dog bones. They're so cute. These are dyed, probably howlite or magnesite, but they're so cute. I love them. I love how they fit together like that. They make me happy. And then I got some Z-beads because we know we love Z-beads. These, I think I have the reverse. I don't know. I have to check my drawer. But they're like carnelian with white. And then I think I have the white with the carnelian stripe. So I just thought it was really cool. These are 8mm. I really love those. I got these because I don't think I just have black and white Evil Eye Z-beads like this. And they're really fun. Not rounds anyway. They just look really cool. They're really nice. And then I got these green ones. I've seen these everywhere, but I've never bought them because they were a little too expensive for what they are for me, but I thought they were a really good price on EagleBeadz. So they're matte green with the evil eye or circle motif on them. And then I got some magnesite. They're not like chips. They're like rounds. And it's funny because I ordered some from a Facebook group, and I didn't show that haul because I think it was only just like 2 things. And then I just ordered some right before I saw these in their cart or in their shop. I ordered them from an unboxing that I have to do right now, like after this one. But they had different colors. So this is like, I think they called this bright green or light green. It's not really picking it up on screen what color this is. It's looking a little muted. This is like a green turquoise. It's not green, it's like green turquoise, like the greener turquoise, I should say. But it's definitely like a turquoisey teal color. I love them. These are destined to be mostly for bracelets. I've been looking for so long for beads like this. I really wanted real turquoise. That kind of looked like this, maybe not as pitted on the edges, but I'll take what I can get because those are really expensive and very hard to find actually. Now, they have almost a like waxy feel to them. They almost feel like polymer clay, but I know they're magnesite. They're so cool. They're so cool. And then I got another strand, and this one's blue-green. So this looks more, like these look like fake turquoise. These look like real turquoise. And the ones that you'll see from my other haul are like even darker, more brown. So my favorite from this purchase is definitely this strand. I want to get them into some bracelets. I'm so excited. So excited. So check out EagleBeadz. I will leave a link below. Actually, I'll leave a link to their Etsy and to their website. And let me know which one was your favorite. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.